Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Kyrrex token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, KRRX token is a Kyrrex own native ecosystem utility token with various use cases across all products and features available on trading platform. KRRX operates as a regulated cryptocurrency platform with its registration in Vincent, and it is designed to bridge the gap between traditional finance services and the evolving world of cryptocurrency trading. The platform mission extends beyond offering standard crypto services. It inspires establish itself as the first global digital bank. The mission reflects a commitment to integrating the reliability and structure of traditional banking with the flexibility and innovation of cryptocurrency transactions. Central to the Kyrrex ecosystem is native utility token. KRRX is the token plays a pivotal role within the platform, facilitating various operations and providing holders with certain benefits. The utility of KRRX spans across the platforms, products, and features, enhancing users' experience and offering innovatives for engagement within the Kyrrex environment. Kyrrex project institution rating is 3.7. Kyrrex token total supply is 500 million and circulating supply is around 250 million. KRRX token is listed on STX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.